Hi my lovely friends, I hope you are well today. For today's clay art, I created something super cute. A girl relaxing and enjoying a cup of coffee. This is honestly one of my favorites. All these tiny, simple joys, they really make life feel more beautiful, don't they? Little happiness truly matter. Alright, let's paint her together. I'm using regular acrylic paint, which works really well with air-dry clay. In my experience, they even make the clay feel a bit stronger. Just a tip, try keeping your paint a little watery, since the clay tends to absorb the paint pretty quickly. I'm painting her hair dark brown today. I absolutely love working on tiny details. It helps me slow down and feels just like meditation to me. And now it's coffee time. Isn't a warm cup of coffee in winter just the best feeling ever? I know you agree. Here I'm adding some shadows and small details to her jumper. Believe me, it's super simple, but makes a huge difference. It adds a 3D effect in our lovely art. I'm using green for her coffee cup to add a bit of color variety. You can totally use the same design or make your own color template. And when it comes to the cup design, it has to have something on it, right? I like to keep it simple though, but still a little special. For those tiny details like eyes and lips, I would recommend using pen. It's much easier to control. And there we go. I think she's done. I really like how she turned out. She looks so relaxed and peaceful. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you have any idea for the next clay art, I would love to hear them. Please support me by subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It really keeps me going. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.